case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In an intriguing case from 2007, Kimberly Pyles, an exotic dancer, was granted damages for the willful negligence and misconduct of a customer at Rick's Cabaret in Louisiana. In the middle of a performance, a patron violently hurled a glass of water at Miss Pyles, leading to her injury and subsequent lawsuit. The case became known as Pyles v. Weaver, reaching the Louisiana Court of Appeal and setting precedent for future litigation. The incident led to a heated legal dispute over who was to be held accountable. While the customer was largely at fault for his reckless actions, the court also found Rick's Cabaret partially responsible due to a lack of adequate security measures. The decision left Rick's Cabaret shouldering 20% of the blame for the accused misconduct, amounting to a fine of $450,000 in damages. Rick's Cabaret's legal representatives disputed the verdict, arguing that Pyles had not supplied enough evidence to substantiate her claims. Among the controversial elements of the trial was a claim by Pyles that the presiding judge had a conflict of interest and should have recused himself from the proceedings. She also alleged that the court made legal blunders by overlooking evidence that should have been admitted. Both these claims were ultimately dismissed due to insufficient supporting proof. While Rick's Cabaret charged that their head of security was deemed underqualified to testify, the court disagreed, allowing him to provide his professional insight. Furthering their defense, Rick's Cabaret appealed the initial verdict. However, the appellant court upheld the ruling of the lower court. The decision affirmed the trial court's judgment, deeming that Pyles failed to present enough evidence that the trial judge acted with bias or the court mishandled evidence. As a result, the petition for a new trial was rejected, marking the conclusion of a contentious case in Louisiana's judicial history.
Case briefs and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.